Hello guys, welcome to Crunch, and I am Lokesh Kapoor, and in this video we are going to talk about Spoke.app application. So it's like a Spoke.app. So this is an interesting application to share your videos with your pioneers, and you can have some highlights to show them, and you can organize them, you can record, transcribe everything in just one single application. So without wasting a time, just let me show you how you can use this application in your business needs. So this is the kind of interface you can get after uploading the video that you have, or recording the video with the software. So you will have all the highlights. You can just highlight the text. So it's pretty interesting. You can just do it from here. So you can highlight the text, you can deselect the text from the highlight itself. You can have some labels, you can add the label, delete the label, everything. And you can let the user switch between all those highlights, and they can just quickly move around to the video by using these highlights. And it becomes very convenient, because you can also mend some mistakes in the text transcription actually, and you can make it better. So if you have spelled any, you have pronounced any word not better, then you can just quickly refine it in content. Okay, and it would be very better. You can also embed the videos like this, play the video.
I'm using
And it just works very fine. So let me just show you the software in detail without wasting your time. So let me log in it. And here's the kind of interface you can see after logged in. You will be on this section, and you can add a new Spoke by uploading a new file, and it will be right there. And we have some demo files. These are like all the tutorials. It's a 1 minute tutorial and welcome video, and all these tutorials are there. You can just click on it, and you will find all the transcription right here, and you can just select to make some highlights out of it. You can add labels to it. You will find all the generated labels when you click on any of this content. You can find this one because it's right there. So you can add them. So it's like a grouping. So section like for something specific, then you can have more of it like that. And you can also select only highlights, and by using this, all this will be cleared out, you can see. Okay, and you can add the speaker's name. You can also make more highlights just by selecting the text. Okay, the more highlights will be generated. And when you are ready with the content, you can easily share the Spoke by clicking on this link. You can share either the highlight or the complete project. After just clicking on this link, you can just go to incognito and paste the URL. You can share this URL with your clients, customers, and your colleagues, and they will be able to see the complete video with the highlights and with the transcription and everything. They can switch between the content, and it would be very better. They can see the video more intuitively, and they can easily switch between the various highlights very easily. So it's also a Dropbox, and they don't need to create an account to see this video. They can easily see the video without having an account on Spoke. And yeah, so also you can do what you can do. You can just click on show more, and you can use this frame embed code on your website. So for example, this is a testimonial video, and you want to use it on your website, and you can just embed this code on website, and it will easily be integrated on your web page. Okay, and here you have all the documentations right there, and you can learn everything like editing, sharing, exporting, searching, transcription, zoom integration, everything is there. Here's a screen capture video by them. That's for Mac OS as well as for Windows. So you may have either of the software and you can use it. So this was pretty much of it. You can explore more by yourself, and I will leave a link in the description so you can check out the software. It's an affiliate link. If you buy from the link, it will give me some commission, but it will not cost you any extra penny. So you can check out from the link, and if you have any questions, you can leave comments in the comment section. And yeah, that was my review, and I hope you liked it. Thanks for your time and for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye.